Hey everyone, it's Dawn here, and I am working on my R1. Got him taken apart. Let me show you what I'm doing. Alright, so I got him taken all apart. I need a new battery. This is what he looks like on the inside. And this is my workspace right now. Got some tools, trash, M104, tools, airbox, carb rebuild kit, carbs, gas tank. I had to fix my shifting over here, so I did that first, and that took up a lot of time. Right now, I'm replacing all the gaskets. I have the rest of the carb rebuild kit over here, and I'm replacing the gasket because this is the condition of the gasket. It is just completely, literally crumbling. So there was a leak between the 1 and 2 carbs, and that's most likely the issue. But for the rebuild kit, basically, I don't think you even need to know anything. You just look at these parts, or at least I'm gonna look at the parts, and then just pop things out and find the matching part and just pop it back in. Yeah, very easy. Yeah, you don't need to know anything. I do have 2 strip screws over there, so I'm gonna have to cut those and get them out manually. I think maybe, oh my gosh, I'm throwing parts everywhere. Maybe these screws are also replacements, so that might be good. Oh my gosh, I'm just throwing parts. Anyways, all right, I was just taking a break. Oh, I got my new fuel pump too, so I'll get that put in as well. And then hopefully I can get it all back together. There's still gonna be more stuff before it is all done, but I'm chugging away. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.